Question is from Karen. Says, was most of your business built from solo ads or organic, half and half?
That's a very, very good question. We did several things. The majority were organic, Facebook, social media. We did run some Facebook ads. We did some like ads campaigns. That was just to build up the audience in the business page. And we tested different things. And what we noticed was the bulk of the results that we've gotten has always been through social media and building our list through solo ads and following up, right? And having meetings on Zoom, right? Or even Facebook Messenger. I remember when I have no money, we did it in Skype, right? Those were our meetings. Hey, you got Skype? Nope. Here, go download it. And we would have like, video conferences and stuff like that. This is what we've always done. And that's been like, the bulk of our business. So I would say like half and half organic and paid marketing. Yeah. I've done some other ads, with different websites on the internet. Those are different strategies. But even with that, it still didn't really do as well as running solo ads and providing great follow up, understanding how to communicate with email. Not only that, but we don't just communicate with email. We send them to like pages. We send them to our social media, sometimes YouTube videos, depending on what day it is, what email it is. We do different things, right? So I mean, we just got really good at doing that, and the copywriting, of course, has excelled as well, and that helps convert more leads into sales. So definitely, those two things just work hand in hand very well, organic and paid solo ads.
That's right. So that's why it's highly recommended that you learn both.
Yep. And not to say you can't do other things and test, right?
Right.
You can do, if you're doing YouTube, you could do YouTube ads just to build up your subscribers. You know what I mean?
And the thing with solo ads, people need to understand, and you probably are not told this, but we teach this, is the fact that you can't just rely solely on solo ads and think that your branding is not a big part of the equation. Your branding is everything, because solo ads, when you start generating those leads, they are going to stalk you. They will check you out, go through your emails. Now that they got your email, they got your name, they can go and seek you out on Facebook. And if your Facebook profile is jacked up, and it doesn't look attractive enough to them, it doesn't look respectable for them, like they're not going to trust you and they're not going to want to do business with you. And this is another reason why Ace and Rich is successful, because, we cleaned up our act. We made sure that our profile was spot on. Our branding is top notch. Our content is all, straight up about our core values. Our message is very clear on who we want to attract or market, and very, very targeted. And that's the organic marketing, Karen. That's organic. So organic and paid works hand in hand. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, and when you do organic, I mean, what you can do is the targeting is really important. I mean, solo ads is like the easy part, right? Just to get some traffic, to get, they're all business opportunity seekers. So you're getting people that are looking for a way to make money online. Pretty simple. It's a wide net, but it's still pretty simple. However, the challenge will be to understand how to follow up and build that relationship. Anything online, anything with building a business on the internet revolves around being good at building relationships. And if you focus on that, then you'll be able to write a paycheck for life, right? Focus on that.
Right on.
And the other thing is, when it comes to the target market, let's talk about organic. Organic, we have to know what our target market is, right? So let's say that I want to build my Facebook up with just network marketers. Well, if that's the case, I need to make sure that my message is talking about network marketers. I need to speak the lingo of network marketers, right? Like about prospecting and your upline and MLM and all that kind of stuff, right? I need to make sure that message is matching the market. This is how you're able to get closer to a conversion, because now you're speaking their language and it makes sense. But if you have all these network marketers you're building on, with your audience in Facebook, and you start talking about being vegan, it doesn't work out very well, does it? It's a big disconnect, right? It's not going to work. So same thing, like if let's say you have another target market, let's say it's weight loss, right? You're not going to talk about bodybuilding during weight loss. You're going to talk about weight loss, right? because bodybuilders are just trying to gain muscle, which is gaining weight, but it's muscle. But people, when they talk about, losing weight, they talk about like, diet, cardio, those kind of things.